Asia Cup. The Asia Cup, officially known as the ACC Men's Asia Cup or ACC Cup, is a men's international cricket tournament contested between Asian countries in either one-day international format, 50 hours, and 20 international cricket format, 20 hours. It was established in 1983 when the Asian Cricket Council was founded as a means to promote goodwill between Asian countries. It was originally scheduled to be held every 2 years. The Asia Cup is the only continental championship in cricket, and the winning team becomes the champions of Asia. It alternates every 2 years between ODI and T20 formats. The first Asia Cup was held in 1984 in Sharjah in the UAE, where the council's offices were based. In 1995, India boycotted the 1986 tournament due to strained cricketing relations with Sri Lanka. Pakistan boycotted the 1990 to 1991 tournament due to strained political relations with India, and the 1993 tournament was cancelled for the same reason. The ACC announced that the tournament would be held biennially from 2009 onwards. The ICC has ruled that all games played in the Asia Cup have officially ODI status. After downsizing the Asian Cricket Council in 2015, it was announced by the ICC that Asia Cup events from 2016 would be played on a rotation basis between one-day international and T20 international format on the basis of the format of upcoming world events. As a result, that 2016 event was the first event played in the T20 format and functioned as a preparatory tournament ahead of the 2016 ICC World T20. India, with 7 titles, 6 ODI and 2 T20, is the most successful team in the tournament. Sri Lanka is the second most successful team with 6, while Pakistan have won 2 titles. Sri Lanka has played the most Asia Cups, 15, followed by India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, 14 each. The latest edition, the 2022 Asia Cup, was won by Sri Lanka. The first editions of the Rothmans Asia Cup was held in 1984 in Sharjah, UAE. The locations of the headquarters of the newly formed Asian Cricket Council. The tournament was a round-robin tournament among India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. The first match was between Pakistan and the new ICC member Sri Lanka. India won this tournament with 2 victories. Sri Lanka were the runner-up in the tournament with a single victory over Pakistan, while Pakistan went home without winning either of its 2 games. Sri Lanka was the host for the second editions in 1986. India pulled out of the tournament due to soured cricketing relations with Sri Lanka after controversial series in Sri Lanka the previous year. The Bangladesh was included for the first time. Sri Lanka won the tournament, beating Pakistan in the final. The third edition in 1988 was held in Bangladesh. The first time a multinational cricket tournament was held there. In the final, India beat Sri Lanka by 6 wickets to win their second Asia Cup. The fourth edition of the tournament was held in India in 1990 to 1991. Pakistan had pulled out of the tournament due to strained political relations with India. India retained the Asia Cup, defeating Sri Lanka in the final. In 1993, the tournament was cancelled due to strained political relations between India and Pakistan. The fifth edition in 1995 took the series back to Sharjah, UAE. After 11 years, India and Sri Lanka made it to the final, by which of better run rate than Pakistan, as all three teams had equal points after the preliminary round. After the third successive time, India defeated Sri Lanka in the final. The sixth edition was held in Sri Lanka in 1997. Sri Lanka beat India in the final by 8 wickets to win its second Asia Cup. The seventh edition took place in Bangladesh for the first time in 2000. Pakistan and Sri Lanka made it to the final, while India only won one match against Bangladesh and surprisingly did not qualify for the final for the very first time. In the final, Pakistan beat Sri Lanka to win the Asia Cup for the very first time. Yusuf Yohana was the player of the tournament. The eighth editions took place in Sri Lanka in 2004. There was a change in the tournament format, as UAE and Hong Kong were also included for the first time, and the tournament was now divided into three stages: the group stage, Super Fours, and the final. The group stage was divided into two groups of three teams, each playing each other once. The top two teams from each group qualified for the Super 4 stage, where they played each other again once. The top two teams in the Super 4 stage then qualified for the final. Sri Lanka, India and UAE were placed in Group A, while the then defending champions Pakistan, Bangladesh and Hong Kong were placed in Group B. UAE and Hong Kong were knocked out in the group stage. Bangladesh had the distinctions of reaching the second stage in major tournament for the first time, but played poorly in the Super 4s and got eliminated. India and Sri Lanka topped the Super 4 stage and reaching the final. In the final, Sri Lanka defeated India by 25 runs to win the Asia Cup. Sanjay Surya was the player of the tournament. The ninth editions of the Asia Cup was held in Pakistan. Once again, the 2004 format was retained. The tournament started on 24 June 2008 and the final was held on 6 July 2008. Sri Lanka topped Group A and qualified for the second phase along with Bangladesh. In Group B, India came out on top and entered the Super 4 along with Pakistan in second place. Sri Lanka and India topped the Super 4 stage and entered the final. Sri Lanka beat India in the final, comfortably winning their fourth Asia Cup. Sanjay Surya scored a quick 125 of 114 balls to rescue Sri Lanka from 66/4 earlier on when the top order collapsed. Sri Lanka newly mystery spinner Mendes took 6/13 bowling Sri Lanka to a 100-run victory. He also was adjudged as the player of the tournament. The 10th edition was held in Sri Lanka between 15th and 24 June 2010, hosting the Asia Cup for the fourth time. It only featured the 4 test-playing Asian nations and 7 matches were played in all, including the final. Sri Lanka and India topped the group stages and entered the final. In the final, India beat Sri Lanka comfortably to become champions for the 5th time, winning the tournament for first time in 15 years. Shahid Afridi was the player of the tournament. The 11th edition of Asia Cup was held in Dhaka, Bangladesh from 11th to 22nd March 2012. Pakistan and Bangladesh qualified to play in the final of the 11th edition. Bangladesh had beaten India and Sri Lanka to book its place in the finals of the first time in the history of the tournament. Pakistan beat Bangladesh after a thrilling final over, winning their second Asia Cup. Saqib Al Hasan was adjudged the player of the tournament. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century in his tournament. The 12th edition was held in Dhaka, Bangladesh from 25th February to 8th March 2014. The tournament consisted of 5 teams with Afghanistan in it for the first time since its inception in 1984. Sri Lanka defeated Pakistan by 5 wickets in the final to win the Asia Cup for the 5th time. After the Asian Cricket Council was downsized by the ICC in 2015, it was announced that Asia Cup tournament will be played on rotation basis in ODI and T20 format. As a result, 2016 events was the first tournament in T20 format and was played between 5 teams just ahead of 2016 ICC World T20. The 2016 editions of the Asian Cup tournament was held in Bangladesh for the 3rd consecutive time from 24th February to 6th March. The final was held on 6th March 2016. India won the final by beating Bangladesh by 8 wickets on 29th October 2015 following the Asian Cricket Council meeting in Singapore. BCCI secretary stated that 2018 editions of the tournament will be held in India. It will follow the ODI format. However, in April 2018, the tournament was moved to UAE due to political tensions between India and Pakistan. India were the defending champions and retained their titles after beating Bangladesh by 3 wickets in the final. India did not suffer a single defeat in that tournament, with 2 wins each against Pakistan and Bangladesh. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the 2020 Asian Cup was first postponed to 2021 with Sri Lanka set to host the event but was later pushed back to 2022 with matches to be played in UAE owing to the packed international schedules and the rising COVID cases in Sri Lanka. UAE hosted the tournament and Sri Lanka won the Asia Cup beating Pakistan by 23 runs in the final. Sri Lanka reached the final as the only unbeaten team in the Super 4 stage, winning against Afghanistan, India and Pakistan. Pakistan was invited to host the tournament in 2023. However, India cricket team was reluctant to visit Pakistan to participate in tournament. So after a lot of deliberations, India agreed to play in a hybrid model, where India will play all their matches in another country and few other matches will be hosted in Pakistan. It will be the first Asia Cup to be co-hosted by multiple countries. 4 matches will be played in Pakistan and the remaining 9 matches will be played in Sri Lanka. The 5 full members of the Asian Cricket Council will be joined by Nepal, who would be making their ACC Asia Cup debut, having qualified for the first time in qualifying the 2023 ACC Men's Premier Cup.